In this exercise, we will learn the color balance option. We can adjust colors very easily by using the color balance option. Okay, let's see how this option will work. Let's click on the adjustment layer and choose the color balance option. Okay, now we have colors. We have cyan, red, magenta, green, yellow, and blue colors. Okay, now if I click and drag to the red side, we can see our red flower here is more dominant. And if I move it to the left side, then the cyan color is more dominant. And also, we can adjust between magenta and green and yellow and blue. Basically, it depends on the image and what color of images we have. We can adjust it according to our requirements. We also have here the shadow and highlighted option. If I choose shadow and then I move it to the red side, we can see that the shadow effect is dark. And now if I move to the cyan side, the shadow is light. We can also adjust the magenta, green, yellow, and blue options. And if I choose the highlight option, we can adjust it. We can see the color is now highlighted, something like this. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the black and white option.